Hey guys, this is just a short review on a piece of equipment we're actually going to be using in our upcoming series of wild camping. I'll be throwing a few more reviews out of all the equipment we're actually using, so you can see obviously what we use when we go out. I bought this for about £45 on Amazon, and for the price I'm actually quite impressed. It's the upgraded version, which I think it basically comes with a different lid and the tripod. So we'll open it up and we'll have a gander and see what it's like. So inside you get this little carrying case. It's nothing special, but it's nice to just have something you can put your stuff in. And inside that is your stove itself. Now the lid is made of a flexible rubber, which is a really tight fit, which is a good thing, so it's not loose and it's not going to fall off when you're walking about. It has straining holes, so obviously you can cook noodles, and it also has a drinking hole, so you can actually drink your coffee out of it if you wanted, or it's basically just for pouring your water into a pot, another pot. Inside that we have a extra cover, which is army camo, woodland camo. I probably won't be using that. And then inside that is what you get with the upgraded version, which is the tripod, just basically for uneven ground. With my gas canister, it doesn't actually fit flush on here, it's quite loose and it wobbles about, so I probably won't be using this until I get a bigger gas canister that actually fits it. Inside that is your burner itself. I like this because it comes with an actual igniter, and obviously the valve springs back, folds in basically, and it's quite easy to turn. Seems very good. Right, the pot itself is a 1.1 litre pot. Fit an hefty amount of water in there, to be honest. The handles, they're a good quality. I have read some reviews where they said after one use the handles fell off, but I've actually tried making this video 3 times now, and boiled water 3 times, and they've not come off. So obviously to connect it to your burner there's 2 lugs, one there and one on the opposite side. They line up with the holes on your pot. Just connect in like so, and then you turn it, and that's pretty much it. Right, now we're going to fill it full of water and we're going to boil it and see how long it takes to actually boil the water. It'll be a litre of water, so then you'll know. Okay, so we have now filled it with a litre of water, and we're going to see how long it takes to actually boil. This video will be sped up, by the way, so you don't have to wait the time. Alright, so that has boiled at, well, to be honest, 4 minutes. It took 4 minutes to boil a litre of water, which, to be honest, isn't that bad at all. So I'm quite impressed with it. Well, no, I am impressed with it. So I will give this a thumbs up, and I'll recommend it to anyone who actually wants to get one. It's a cheaper version of obviously the jet oil itself, so if you've not got a lot of money, this is a good bit of kit to actually get. Alright, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.